So in this video, we'll walk you through how to create your first product in your store's dashboard. So what you see here is your store dashboard screen. To create your first product, there are a few ways to do this. You can hover your mouse cursor over products and just click Add New, or you can select products, and this takes you to the products screen. And from there, you can add new at the top, or in fact, you can add new again in the same way. So we'll select Add New at the top of our dashboard. And now we're greeted with a page that looks like this. So the first thing we want to do is to select the type of product we wish to create. So at the top here it says simple product, but you'll notice there's a drop down. So we'll select the drop down, and then we see that there are other products types we can use as well. So what are these product types and what do they do? So a simple product is a singular product that can be listed on your store page and on product pages throughout the store. These are products that can be bought through our platform and payments go directly to the store owner. A variable product is a bit more advanced. The product is the same as the simple product, but the main difference being you can have different variations of that product. A good example of this would be if you're selling a t-shirt, but it has different sizes, small, medium, and large. And you can list these size variations in the same product listing. A group product is a group of products you have created and wish to sell as a bundle. An example of this would be if you have an outfit you want to sell that has a shirt, some pants, and also some shoes that you can bundle into a group product. And the last one is an external affiliated product. This is a product that is external to our platform. You would use this if you have a service or a product that you have on your own website or perhaps Facebook page, and you would like to promote that on our platform. So let's enter a simple product. The first two boxes you see are the virtual or downloadable tick boxes. And they're fairly self-explanatory. So we'll go with a virtual product. It's not downloadable, in other words. And the next thing we see is the product title. So if we select that box, we can put our product title in, and I'm going to be super creative and call this a widget. Now I want to select a price for my widget, and perhaps I'm selling them for $10. But in this particular month, I'm going to sell them for $8. So I'm running a sale. And now we want to upload a product image. And you'll notice there are two images we can use, a larger one and a small one. So the bigger image is the main image that you use for your product. To set this image on the placeholder, click here. It will default to uploading files, so you can select files from your computer, or you can click and drop and drag. However, if you've already uploaded some files to your media library, you can choose media library, and I've done that already. So here's my widget. It looks a little bit like a chair. I'm going to select that here. Now you can do the same for your secondary image. So we'll click in the box. Once again, it will go immediately to upload files, assuming you haven't put anything into your media library. But again, I've got something in here, so I will choose this image as my secondary image, and I'll add that to the gallery. So now you can see the two images that I have. And now we want to add some product descriptions. So you will see there are two descriptions, a short description and one that's simply called description. So the short description is just a quick blurb or something catchy on the product page that describes your product. And of course, the description, you can go into much more detail. So I'm just going to call this one as my widget, a super duper, oops, that would be duper widget. And here, to give it a little bit more information, I'm just going to pop in this. So that's my short description and the longer description. Now we wish to add product categories to our new product. And we'll set a category for this. It's very important when you're doing this because by giving your product a category, it will allow the product to be categorized when customers are searching for products on our platform. It will also help keep your products categorized and sorted. So you'll see this list of categories here on the right hand side, and you can click the little plus arrow to expand these out. So we want to select our retail, but when we select retail, we can choose what type of retail product this widget is, and perhaps it's a, what will we select? Let's say it's a baby goods item. And we do recommend that you select both retail and the secondary category underneath it. Or perhaps if you're going the other way, it'll be a service and a secondary category. The next thing we're going to do is select some product tags. You'll see those here. Product tags are descriptive labels you can add to your products. Popular search engines can use these tags to get information about your store. You can add more than one tag, separating them with a comma. So I might put in here high chair, comma, chair. Now we'll scroll down and look at this box here, inventory. So the inventory module enables you to be able to track stock and set status for customers. You can hover over the icon for more information. It gives you a little more information there. The shipping module, which is not shown here on mine, enables you to be able to set customer dimensions, set processing times, and weight for each of your products. And there are more things that we'll cover in our next video that are a little more advanced. Now let's say that we had selected an external affiliate product rather than a simple product. The only difference we see here is that my widget now, which I'm selling online, will need a URL, some button text. The price and everything remains the same, but these two fields need to be filled in, and they would typically come from your website or your Facebook page. So once you've done, everything's completed, at any time you can save this as a draft, and that's probably a really good habit to get into. So, or you submit. You click either of these, it'll save the product. So I'll select submit and we're done.